The Vehicle Stability Assist System in your Honda Pilot is a critical safety feature. When you see this amber triangle with VSA text on your dashboard, it indicates the system has detected an issue that needs attention. VSA continuously monitors your vehicle's behavior, comparing what you're asking the car to do with what it's actually doing. The system tracks vehicle speed, steering input, individual wheel speeds, and the forces acting on your vehicle. When VSA detects potential loss of control, it automatically intervenes by applying brakes to individual wheels, reducing engine power, and on all-wheel drive models, adjusting torque distribution to help maintain stability. The VSA system relies on 5 key components working together to monitor and control vehicle stability. Wheel speed sensors monitor the rotation of each individual wheel. Your Pilot has 4 of these sensors, one at each wheel, that detect when a wheel is slipping or about to lock up during braking. The steering angle sensor, located in the steering column, detects both the position of your steering wheel and how quickly you're turning it. This helps VSA understand your intended direction. The yaw rate sensor measures how much your vehicle is rotating around its vertical axis, detecting oversteer and understeer conditions. The lateral G sensor detects sideways acceleration forces during cornering or emergency maneuvers. The VSA Modulator Control Unit is the brain of the system. It processes data from all sensors and makes split-second decisions about when and how to intervene, controlling both the brake and engine systems to maintain stability. These components work together seamlessly, with sensors monitoring vehicle behavior 100 times per second. The control unit processes this data in real time and can intervene within milliseconds to prevent loss of control during emergency situations or slippery conditions. When your Honda Pilot's VSA light comes on, start with a systematic diagnostic approach. First, check for related warning lights that often appear together with VSA issues. The most common cause of VSA problems is faulty wheel speed sensors. These sensors can become contaminated with road debris, salt, or brake dust, causing false readings. Before replacing any sensors, always clean the sensor ring on the brake rotor. Accumulated debris here is often the root cause of sensor malfunctions. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, try a system reset. This procedure recalibrates the steering angle sensor and can resolve many VSA warnings. If DIY solutions don't work, professional diagnosis may be needed. Here are the typical repair costs you can expect, ranging from simple sensor replacement to complete system overhaul. Regular maintenance can prevent most VSA issues. Focus on brake system inspections, proper tire maintenance, and keeping sensors clean during routine service.